To fix this error, the first step is to install Visual C++ file. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see x86 and x64. You have to install both the files. So click on x86 and x64 and then run both the exe file. Download this x64 file as well. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. If you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Run this x64 file as well. Again, if you see repair, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow, and let the installation complete. Make sure both x86 and x64 both are installed. Once installed, restart your PC. So restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to uninstall all version of Microsoft Visual C++ file. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel, go to uninstall a program, and then find Microsoft Visual files. So here you can see from 2010 till here. Here you can see Visual C++ file. You can uninstall all the files. Make a right click, click on uninstall, click on yes, and you have to uninstall each and every Visual C++ file. This will take some time. One by one you have to uninstall it from 2010 till here. Once the uninstall is complete, once you uninstall everything, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can go to this website once again and install x86 and x64 files once again. x86 and x64. Run both the exe file and then install it again. So download this x86 x64 once again, click on repair. You will see the install button. So hit install, and then again you run this x64 file as well. Again you will see install button, hit install, and after the installation, scroll up. Here you can see all the other, like here you can see 2010, 12, 13, 15, and you have this 17 to 2026. So you also have the current version. So install all the files once again, both x86 and x64. Run both the exe file, install it, yes, again install, download this x64 file as well, and then run this exe file, again yes. In my case, it's one by one you have to install. So install everything. Again you go up, scroll up, and then you can install this 2012, 13, 15, and this one. Install all and then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Now still not working, the next step is to install DirectX file. And you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see download option, run this exe file, click on yes to allow, and then put a check on I accept the agreement, click on next, uncheck install bin bar, next, and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, then click on finish over here and then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. So that should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Still not working, you can uninstall the application like Adobe Creative Cloud and Adobe Premiere Pro. You can uninstall it and reinstall it, and that should fix the problem. So thank you. Bye bye.